I thought it will make a sense that we recap all the 6, 7 sessions before to understand what this master is saying to all of us, including me. Hence, it is a non practice. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. We'll share our experiences so that we grow, we evolve. How are you, Stephen?
I'm good. Um, my meditation was, I felt completely absorbed in the meditation.
Good.
I'm very calm, very peaceful.
Very calm. That is what happens without doing anything. Bring the hands down. Terry, where are you? Tell me.
I wanted to stay in the space.
Wonderful. Wonderful. See that. If I say that I will take care of your Parkinson, nobody would believe. But unless we are a seeker, nothing happens. That's a beautiful. So when you said I want to stay in that space, stay. Stay there. Are you, Sam?
Good. It was very quiet, peaceful, dark.
Peaceful, Jar. Good, good, good. A sense of objectless state. That's what I'm noticing. How are you, Vaibhav? Then we'll go to Kate here.
Sir, I'm good. It was like that I am there, and it's like it's saying that whatever coming into my mind, I'm not dependent on that. So
Yeah.
it was
Uh,
plain, clear, and smooth.
yeah. Yes, one thing that it came to my mind spontaneously, it is the false I says that whatever is happening, I do not depend on them. Then what? The false I is also happening. When the false I says this, the false I also drops. Think of this. How are you, Kate? My master is laughing here at all of you. Well, keep
Well, I
on.
am.
Yeah.
I am.
He's saying keep on, keep on, keep on. How are you, Rakesh?
Thank you, sir. I had
Thank
the
you, sir.
same word as Stephen said. It was absorb, and stillness and calmness, everything. So
Yeah, good.
expanded.
Well, Very good. How are you, Ashok?
Good, sir. Peaceful and calm.
Peaceful and calm. Now you are a grandfather, Ashok? Not
No.
yet. Going to be, he looks, he looks so young. Now, if Sam doesn't mind, then I will say, you look younger than Sam. So what did I say? It is situational. I have to live into that awareness. You see that it is just a situational that I happen to be 63. But if I know I'm 63, then I have to go to the doctor to get, and long list. And then there is a problem. No, I'm not a grandfather. Whatever my kids are doing, it depends on them. It should not depend on me. Why should I create another problem, dependence? So the mind constantly lives in ignorance. So there is a constant, there should be a constant awareness and attention in my living, like I drive my car. I don't have a luxury to take a nap and drive. I don't have a luxury to allow the mind to create all these limitations, to blame the world as the cause of stress and suffering. Terry, did you understand?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. I'm also not sure. That is all what to say.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Namaste.
Peace, everyone. Namaste.
Peace.
Namaste.